RPR Athawalan National Secretary and political activist Maheshwar Thounaojam has submitted a memorandum to Education Minister D.H. Basantakumar with regard to the false content in COHSEM'S Class 11 history textbook, where it has been written that the Kukis have been residing in Manipur since prehistoric times. Upon meeting with the Education Minister, assurance has been given to Maheshwar Thounaojam that the said book on history for Class 11 will be banned within 5 days at the earliest. The statement was made to media persons after meeting with the Education Minister, and speaking to media persons, he further expressed that the topic Kukis appearing in page number 9 of Class 11's history textbook is filled with false and baseless contents, and this will tend to misguide the young students. He demanded that the authors of the book, Dr. M. Kauba and B.S. Sherba, to clarify as to how they have written in the textbook that the Kukis have been residing in Manipur prior to 33 AD. Maheshwar further continued that in the book titled Manipur and the Naga Hills, authored by the then British Major General Sir James Johnstone, it has been written that the Kukis came to Manipur in between 1830 to 1840. He continued that in spite of the Ministry of Home Affairs confirming that no incident such as the purported Anglo-Kuki War 1917 to 1919 occurred, the baseless and false topic has been included in the MA History syllabus of Delhi University, and this is very unfortunate, he added. Mahesh that the topic of the purported Anglo-Kuki War 1917 to 1919, which has been authored by the two Kuki authors Jangkomang Guite and Tangkolang Haukip, and which has been further included in one of the premier institutes of the country, proved that the Kuki community has been trying and planning for long to misrepresent the age-old history of Manipur before the entire world. Steps will be taken to let authorities of Delhi University know of the true facts and further to ban such baseless and false accounts, he added.
Minister Tamu Basanta Unazare Ayukta Magi office residential office home da Unazare Unarakan Mangonda aina complaint letter and pishan mamatamda masu yenge do sigi information si mangonda habedi mamangda ay oibo ibanina ma anyhow sigi book se ban taunaba step se nong nini sil lokat charage haibagi warol di thambire aduna yam tuna sigi book se ban taw da bayaro kaligi no hay matamdi wahai macha paragraph sida yari base macha mo oitarga su it means a lot haibadi aran ba potama hayeng history huji huji dukan da su market da su phangbu oibanina laiba students sing sida laiba chhatra sing sida aran ba information sakhiba targa di akoi future se kadai da no where is our future then we are listing the wrong history akoi aran ba history ma phangmaga ji sakhi targa di akoi future laite aduna yam tuna sigi book se koi gi ai uchage da sigi book se market ki ban tawbiyo do sida yauriba topic let khujigi sigi topic space number 9 da yauriba se si sengdok piyo doga sarkar na su si ban tawbiyo do haizara me tawrani su haire